Alright, we are replacing the screen on a Toshiba L755-S5217.
Yep. So you'll notice on the front here there are some screw covers. You're going to want to take all 4 of those off and reveal the screw. And then after that point, you'll see the revealed screws. Just pull all 4 of those screws out. After you're done with that,
pop the bezel off.
Yep, yeah, it's gonna take some force. It's not gonna be that easy. So you're going to start here. There's gonna be a seam. You want to basically run your nail up through there, maybe very thin screwdriver. Pop it off, and it just pops straight off. Take the joints out a little bit more easily because as you can see they're kind of a thin plastic there. Make sure you hold on to these screws. It's really hard to come by these things. At which point you will remove these bottom 4 screws to unseat the LCD. Hopefully you'll be able to edit this in. And using a magnetized screwdriver helps as well. Some cool sound to it. Also see some screws on the side here holding it into place. It's probably going to be the same caliber or same grip length as that screw as well. So I was wrong. Yep, they are smaller grip length. Screws in order here. Keep these things together. So right now we have 3 different size screws. We have the ones that we took the bezel off with, the ones we removed off the bottom here, and the ones removed off the side. Right. So if we move the screen down a little bit, there's a very small ribbon here. It's like it connects the screen with the, or runs off the back of the screen, I'm sorry. There we go. Get that out of the way. Now we'll see where we connect to the screen here. Really careful with that. Be really careful removing the underside of this so you don't strip and expose any wires, and this thing just pulls straight out. Such. The way you can keep this intact, because this not only houses a ribbon for the LCD, but also connects the webcam up here. So, gotta be careful with that. And according to this, don't touch the back tape, or black tape.
This is the new screen from laptopscreens.com.
Seated. Go.
All right.
Sweet. So as we're good. Yeah, I feel it's called me Shaky McShakens.
Here,
Huh?
you're ready for it.
Thanks.
Slide around a little bit there.
Good
There
deal.
we go. There we go. And we'll do that on both sides. Okay.
Screws back to the bottom.
It's a good time to go ahead and check and make sure your screen works. All right.
Cool. And the last part's just putting back what we took out. That worked.
Alright, you got your screws in, and you put your little black cover, and you got a brand new screen. That's it. That took us about 20 minutes.